Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how can you install virtual machine in your operating system on your computer PC. First of all you have to go and open your browser and search virtual machine or virtual box. Then hit enter. Then click on the download. Then choose your operating system which you have. I have currently Windows, so I am clicking on Windows. See, the downloading has been started. And with support to this you will need an external additional package, this one. Download this also. Let's wait for a minute. Once it get installed, you have to first open VirtualBox, check for the updated version, open it. You will see such a preparation. As I have installed it already, so I am not going to install it. Then you have to click on next, next and finish, and you will be done. Thank you to watching the video. Bye bye.